Watch. The world, it's not a plan. Hear me, man. A franchise is choosing one, the 10-star general. I'm there representing a live and living colors. And first, may I say, big respect to the 5-star general, Rodney Price, the one, Mr. Phenomenal, Mr. Unbelievable. You hear me? The 5-star general, Ground Godzilla, Ghetto People Gladiator, Poor People Defender, Mr. Dancehall himself, watch, Gaza Grandfather, watch. I mean, I say big bless up on your bird strong 5-star general. I made the I live for see many and many more. A whole heap of blessing upon you and the family from the 10-star general and the whole Gaza fraternity. Watch. But anyway, excuse me, Mr. Price, make me shoot up that local fish here. I remember, say, a year doctrine will follow, say, we are Gaza youth, we no friend fish. Watch. Gaza rifle have a march out the road. Meanwhile, here to boss have the eagle alone. Pussy fish to your face does dispose. You want this me? Your mother taking some farmer judge. Me put 6 in your face with teacher also. Put my foot in your face. As some farmer rocks here to shut off the locks. Them turn you in a Charlene Mount. Watch. General, the 10-star one. Pussy, I saw you do a review. If I me like Movada, if I me like Movada, I hear you call my name again. I come look for you and slap off your blood clot face with your big fool self, with your big head and no brain tonight. I saw you do a review, pussy. You know see what I swing over the man head, pussy. You know see what the match I bring the man in a clown, Disney World patient, top nerd. You know, so the match I bring the man in, but my father know say you know everything what I go on. Know your bumbo clot. You so long them hold on the man son. And I'll change him and carry him go a juvenile facility. Them not let go the rest of the people them. And hold on the man them son. That the hold on the man son that now show you say the man them want. You fucking fool, no blood clot. I don't even know how you reach England. Because it don't look like you can read and write in a fish team. I don't know how you reach a blood clot England. You don't have no bumbo clot sense. You know what I mean? You can't even give a good account of yourself. You just look a pussy. You don't going to think you're good for no for do a trace. But you watch where in my house and about cheer. Pussy, I have something take it from. The chair, look. Look big pussy, so big material base can extend out. I have some take it from. Pussy look and look good. The whole of my living room big on your blood clot house. You hear that? My whole living room. My walk down blood clot living room. Bigger than your stinking blood clot house so you eat up in a. You hear me? And it big like your blood clot girl hole. Where you push your big head underneath pussy. You hear that? You can chat to me. In batty boy. You think me I have the same thing? You think me live like a clown? In batty boy. When I say general, you think a joke thing? Or you think a lollipop thing? In batty boy. You think me I have the same thing? Boy, in pussy. You come chat up your mouth. Pussy look. A 3 room you sit down there so pussy. Look, you hear that big crotches? Down to my fucking kitchen long on your blood clot bedroom, you fucking waste man, you batty boy. You think me I have the same thing? They can play with me? They don't know I'm not laugh with it. Gaza don't know I'm not deal with the lollipop thing though. I want to fish tea. I want to take that fish gill there. I have to scale him up. I want me to tell you, boy, anything on the chat board, I'm the first man start come on blood clot YouTube and show my face. Pan my blood clot camera and every pussy start follow. Every blood clot follow. And who not follow still a hide. And I'm me. Anything you chat say, me show you that live. You know what I mean? Show, when you chat up your blood clot mouth, come out of the people them blood clot couch and show which part you live in. You fucking batty boy. But you talk about man house and about cheer in a man house. What you figure do now, pussy? I go back and try to think of a ways how you can sound brilliant on behalf of the blood clot gully God. You hear that batty boy? Anywhere at all I go in the world, I represent Gaza to the fullest. You can chat to me, batty boy. You see me look a cheer over bumbo clot there. You see me cheer over there, so you chat up your mouth. No blood clot boy, no, and a girl can come in and come sit down on my bumbo clot bed. You know what I mean? Which is something where you don't even know. Pussy. I want me to you, think me deal with the lollipop thing. Or the 10-star general you deal with in a batty boy, you never know. You know the 10-star one you deal with, I think me deal with the lollipop thing. Eh? Watch. I want me to you, boy. Eh? I want me to you. Eh? You're a clown. Eh? You can talk to me. Eh? The general, the 10-star one, what you go do? I try educate your blood clot self. That means you know how to start a line. And you know how to mix up your style with some fucking rhyme. You sound blood clot illiterate. You hear me? That's how you sound. And let me tell you something. You have a handicapped voice. It sounds retarded and very, very handicappish. You hear that? Go learn how to chat good country boy. You hear me? And let me tell you something. Don't go think your circle. Don't go circle you know. And your girl big hole where you push your head in her. You can circle me, pussy. Eh? You can circle me. You know which part me there in one room. Come get me out right now. Since you know me as it go in one room. I want me to your pussy. Eh? Come get me out right. Boy, one room. You think me I had the same thing, batty boy? Eh? I'm dying for see boy. I want to hold you like how the man them hold all some boy and all that take all 200 pounds from them and tie up your blood clot and skull off your head clean and turn you in a blood clot Charlene Monk. You don't have no right to have on a bumbo clot locks on your head when you use a big man parlor. You fish tea, use a man parlor. Only thing you're good for church. You hear me? I want to hold you for use my knock and knock up your blood clot with it. What? At the general, the 10-star one, and anytime I represent myself, I represent for Gaza and Alliance in a full effect. I don't know, and a lollipop thing when I sound the big thing them and drop necessary equipment. What? I'm telling you something, Gaza Nation. I dust out bumbo fish tea a while ago. Watch, General 10-star. Once again, I say, big up the 5-star General. Ghetto Gladiator. You hear that? AKA Rodney Price. Panim Bergstrom. You don't know. A 10-star way. General style. Gaza Nation. What? I just scale up fish tea. Watch.